YT, what's going on? I got a NBS. I'm about to do a top slab roof out of a Camaro in. Uh, Roof came out like a 2016 Camaro. I got the skin already cut down to how I want it. So I'm about to do my measurements and I'm about to go ahead and get it ready for the cut. But before I do all that though, I'm gonna take the interior. Taking all the interior out because he's gonna freshen up everything in the interior. And take this headline out. As you can see, it's already sagging a little bit in places. So we're gonna take this headline out and take the seats out. That's the agenda for right now. But after I do that, I'm gonna have to run to the yard and I'm gonna look for another roof for a G-body that I gotta do tomorrow. See, I got the headline and everything for this. So I'm gonna go ahead and get this out the way so I can be able to go ahead and start the process on this truck. So I'm gonna have a lot going on this weekend, but I'm gonna tune y'all in on my videos that I do, as far as the projects that I do. See, like I said, I got another roof right here. I got this for a Regal right here. This is just a drop in and go. One of the Webesto roofs, and I got this big boy Cadillac SRX roof. That's going in like a '73 Cadillac Coupe de Ville. No, not de Ville, but a Eldorado. And I got another roof back there in front of my in front of that red Monte Carlo. It's a G6 going in a photo Cutlass. So he's supposed to be dropping that out too. So I'm gonna have vids on that. And so I just want y'all to just stay tuned. Then I'm finna get in and knock this truck out. Just do the measurements on it real quick. Go and get it out the way, so I can go and run out to the yard. And then I'm gonna cut y'all back on when I go to the yard, so I can show y'all what I'm gonna get the roof for that Cutlass out of. So y'all just hold tight. YT, I'm back with the NBS. As you can see, I got the interior pulled all the way out. I got the headliner out, and I don't know if you can see it because my lining is in black. You can see the X pattern right here, X, and about to go ahead and cut this thing out. So I want y'all to stay tuned as I cut this thing out, man. Y'all just stay locked, and I'm gonna show y'all. See, I got the skin. Last time in the last part of the video, I was showing y'all skin and stuff like that. And the OBS, this is a Camaro roof out of 2015 Camaro SS. The tracks run down this way. They a little longer. See, as I had to cut them. That's what you have to do whenever you got like OBS, NBS, El Camino, and you're trying to throw you a Camaro roof in. Just cut those tracks out, and you take these, take the little water necks, you 3M glue it, and you get that bonding glue. You want no water pass through it, you'll be good to go. Done it plenty of times. But yeah, y'all just stay locked and loaded, man. I'm finna get in and cut this hole in. So I'm gonna cut y'all back on when I get this hole in, and we're rocking and rolling. So I got you. Signing in right now. Finna sign out. Yo, what up, YT? I'm in the yard right now. It's the next day from this C10, and I'm finna get ready to pull this old G6 roof, man. Pull this G6 roof. Gonna get that thing to close up good. But yeah, got a customer say you want to put this in his SS Monte Carlo, and this the way we finna go. I already got the controls. I know I'm breathing kind of heavy. Tried to make my way on down here. Try to make sure nobody had got it. But yeah, it's about to go down. I'm about to do 2 G-bodies in one weekend. I'm about to pull this roof, and then I'm about to go down towards that way and pull one out of Jeep Cherokee. I know some of the Jeep Cherokees, they got the long panoramic, but they got this short one, and it's going in a '79 Cutlass. Yep. So G6 going in the Monte Carlo SS, and the Jeep Cherokee roof is going in the '79 Cutlass. But I'm gonna cut y'all back on when I get a little headway on me pulling this roof out. And I already pulled the roof out of this one already. I did this last week, and the guy just got the cutlass dropped off at the house yesterday. So I'm gonna have a video dropping on that one later on. Man, I can't catch my breath right now, y'all. I guess I'm excited at the same time that nobody got their roof. And like I say, when this car right here dropped with the G6 roof, I was watching this one getting put down. And man, a whole week passed, ain't nobody got it, so it must was meant for me to get it. So let me go and bust the play down, y'all, and keep y'all cut on. Well, I'm gonna cut y'all back on when I get it pulled out. But yeah, that's what we got going now. So y'all just lock in with me. Let me go and do my do, and I'm gonna catch back up with y'all. One. I'm back. As you can see, I got this thing out of there. Got it up out of there. Alright, this roof number 1 for this morning. See, I got that hole out. Yeah. Yes, sir. I already got the controls. I had got that the other day, so I got the wiring and everything. And yeah, finna get ready to go down to roof number 2. But I got another customer about to stop by the house, so I might have to leave. But I'm gonna try to get started on it. So all I have to do is just cut it out. But y'all just hold tight. Let me go ahead and load up, and then I'm gonna go down to roof number 2. I'm gonna show y'all that in a second. So y'all just hold tight. YT, what's happening? As you can see, I got that roof slid back. I know I ain't been keeping up with everything I've been doing. I really just been trying to go ahead and get everything knocked out. But as you can see, I got that thing sitting up in there. And it slid back. I don't got it hooked up yet. I just slid it back manual for right now. I'm finna get ready and wire everything up, and just wanted to see what it looked like. But yeah, 2015 SS Camaro roof. Got that thing up in there. But yeah, I'm gonna cut y'all back on, man. I'm gonna try to wire it up, and I'm gonna show you what it look like when it's powered on and working. So y'all just hold tight. Give me 1 minute. Alright, as you can see, I'm welding this got it welded, pretty much tack welded already in. As you can see, homemade brace bar. But rocking and rolling. Alright, girl. Yeah, we rocking and rolling, man. So the next step now, I got the little water necks. Got the glue in on the water necks over there, healing up and drying up or whatnot. And I got this thing tacked in. I'm probably put a few more tacks in it, and we're gonna grind them down, and we're gonna be ready to lay some fiberglass. And yeah, this thing gonna be ready for the body man. See the thing in there nice and flat. That's what you really want. Yeah, One Touch Customs, man. I'm finna get ready to sign out. I'm gonna cut y'all back on when I put the glass in and I wire everything up and get it wired up. But yeah, y'all just lock in with me. I'll sign y'all back in 1 minute.